Hangcha Group, a global leader in forklift manufacturing, is proud to have established its presence in Australia, driving innovation and excellence in material handling solutions. Hangcha Australia was founded to bring world-class products and services to our local customers. Our mission is to combine international expertise with localized support to help businesses thrive.
Our strengths lie in our diversity product range and a global reputation built over 5 decades of excellence. Through relentless efforts, Hangcha Australia has achieved outstanding results.
Hi, I'm Ben Barguana and I'm swapping the racetrack for something just as powerful, forklifts. I'm here at Hangcha Australia to check out their impressive lineup of machines. In racing, performance and reliability is everything, and the same goes for forklifts. Hangcha forklifts are built for power, precision and efficiency, just like a race car needs to be fast and dependable. The lithium-powered forklifts are like the electric race cars of the material handling world. Clean energy, instant torque and top efficiency.
Whether it's on the track or in the warehouse, having the right machine makes all the difference. If you want top-tier performance and reliability, Hangcha Forklifts Australia has you covered. Why did you decide to join Hangcha Forklifts?
Well, Hangcha was one of the first companies to fully embrace the lithium era, and since joining I've gained invaluable knowledge. I was genuinely surprised by the exceptional quality of Hangcha forklifts, and they continue to push the boundaries of innovation. Today the company leads the way with cutting-edge advancements, including exclusive charging technology, setting it apart across Australia.
We want people to know that Hangcha Australia leads in providing innovative, tailored forklift solutions such as lithium technology to meet diverse industry needs. Our fast service response ensures customers enjoy seamless operations and maximum productivity.